taken around forever, digging in everywhere the known. Maybe you found whatever, a piece of the place to call your own. What does your book advise you? What do you feel inside you now? I'll crawl along beside you, gonna misguide you anyhow. These are the hands that hold our faith, these are the shoulders holding the weight. Hope grows like snowflakes on the wall, and like the snow we fall. Like the snow we fall. You are my older brother, could have been any other way. Did everything together, God only knows what you would say. The journey is long and lonely, there's only a light you left to go. You can pretend you'll show me, it's only a time we'll never know. These are the hands that hold our world, these are the eyes that shine like pearls. Hope grows 100 stories tall, and like the snow we fall. Like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall. Like the snow we fall. I fought disease to reach your shores, would have given an arm to get near, only to find a closing door. Follow your heart, they instruct. Where would you start the construct here? What is the code of conduct? Is there a code to disappear? These are the hands that hold our lives, these are the poison, these are the knives. Hope grows like hatred in the broad, and like the snow we fall. Like the snow we fall. Like the snow we fall.